The follow up with new inquiries template helps you stay on top of your sales follow ups without any manual oversight. With this simple automation in Optics, you can instantly thank new leads and notify your team to follow up without lifting a finger. Let's walk through how to set it up in your Optics dashboard. Start by selecting Customize Template. As with all templates, we recommend customizing it before setting it live so you can review each step and ensure the messaging aligns with your brand. Now let's break down the logic behind the workflow. The trigger is set to new unconfirmed user. This is paired with a condition that filters by user source inquiry widget. User source is a powerful condition that can help you manage leads from different sources and create tailored messaging for each type of lead. You'll notice that the new unconfirmed user trigger includes a built-in 1-hour delay. This delay gives the user time to complete onboarding forms and potentially become active. If they don't become active within that hour, the automation will proceed. It prevents users from being enrolled in the automation the moment they submit the inquiry form. After that, the automation continues with two actions. The first is send email. This is a great opportunity to review message content, ensure it reflects your tone and brand, and make any adjustments to the subject line, body, or delivery method. Next, the automation will generate a task, typically assigns your community manager or admin to follow up on the inquiry. You can also use this task to include any internal qualification steps you might have. For example, if your team has a process for assessing lead quality or reaching out outside the Optics platform, this is the perfect place to capture that. This setup is a great starting point, but keep in mind you can always expand the template with additional steps, messages, or logic as your workflow evolves.